Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful puff flower. So for this project I am using cotton yarn. You can use any yarn you want. So you can use this flower in hat or in sweater, or you can also make this for bags. You can join it and also make the bags, and also you can use in baby items. And for this project I am using 4 mm crochet hook and scissor. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if it's really helpful for you, please subscribe for more new videos. And please let me know your comments. So hope you will like it. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in this first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 6 single crochet in this center. One, two, three, four, five, and 6. Now slip stitch in this very first single crochet stitch. So this is the first round completed. Now make the petal. So this is second and last round. So now make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Now pull yarn from this stitch 6 times. One, two, three, four, five, and 6. Now pull all the yarn together. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. make slip stitch in this next stitch. So this is the first petal completed. Now make the second one. Make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Pull yarn 6 times in the same stitch. Wrap yarn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now pull yarn from all these loops. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in this next stitch. So this is the second petal completed. Now again make the third petal. So first make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Now pull yarn from this stitch 6 times. Wrap yarn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now pull yarn from all these loops. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in this next stitch. So this is the third petal completed. Now make the fourth one. So first make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Now wrap yarn, then pull yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now pull this yarn from all these loops. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in this next stitch. This is the fourth petal. Now make the fifth one. So first make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Make, now wrap the yarn, pull yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now pull all the yarn together. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in this next stitch. So now I have completed the 5th petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have got 5 petal. We need more 1. This is last one. So make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Wrap yarn. Then pull yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So pull this yarn all through these loops. Now in the last make 3 chain, 2 and 3. Make slip stitch in this stitch. Now give a knot. Now pull this yarn like this and cut this extra yarn. So tie a knot like this in this back side. Now you can give a knot with 2 yarn, or you can also insert yarn in this petal like this. Now cut all this extra yarn. So you can use like this, or also you can use like this. Both are looking like same. So this is the puff flower. Thanks for watching.